going to do the unboxing of the Tenways e-bike. It has arrived. Check it out at tenways.com. I bought this. This is not a commercial. Paid endorsement. Okay. So, watch the staples. I made the executive decision of pulling out these large staples because you don't want it to scratch anything on your bike. And it's also a real pain if you accidentally lean on them. So definitely pull and remove these. The cardboard is very thick, so it is a well-constructed box. Keep everything safe, or should be, although I don't know yet. We'll find out. Here's the tray, so you can see the seats here is attached to the seat post. So that's the first thing we'll just kind of take out here. Seat's in good shape. It's a firmer material, but it does have give to it. That's not bad. As you can see, and nothing's damaged. Looks good. All right, and here we have, I think this is probably an accessory box. Down, this open. Ah, sure enough. It is. So this must be the manual. They've got a YouTube channel. Probably explains how to put everything together. Yep, got that. This is the brake light, I'm assuming. We'll open this up really quick. Detail this. Yep. Brake light with the attachment, and you charge that through USB cable, so that's cool. Reflector. Not quite sure what this is. Oh, it's a little tire pump. Oh, that's super cool. So check out all this stuff to see what it is. Wow, shiny wrench. Another shiny wrench. Could it be? No, Allen wrenches. And could it be? Okay, little screw Allen wrench thing. So that's what's on this first tray. Is there more? Yes, there is. Pedals. Now, I'm particular about my pedals. It's true.
I didn't know that.
I am, because pedals can be really annoying, or they can be really nice. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm liking it. They even give you a right and a left, just to show you, for those people. You know who you are. And yeah, so that's actually quite nice. So let's put those out. This. Now, what's in this magic white box in here? What could this be, folks? Chocolates, perhaps? Just kidding. No, I bet you that's the charger. Yeah, look, it's the charger. Nice, okay. Pretty good sized brick, but you would expect that for an e-bike. That's to do all the hard work of converting AC to DC and monitoring charging the battery. So between that and this guy, that's a US plug. And there you go, and it's got a little LED light, so we'll test that out, obviously, when we charge the bike. Okay, so now we're down to pretty much pulling out the bike. You can see that front tire is attached here, and the frame is protected, well protected, with these large foam blocks. Here you can see the main frame. There's Tenways. Right here. Everything has been zip tied together and protected by a plastic bag on top of that. Ow. So that's actually quite nice. So inside you can see that's it. There was nothing else. So everything was well protected and the box was in good shape. Nothing leaked out of it. Next we're going to remove all these zip ties. Okay, it's kind of tucked in with that. I had an issue with my Rad Rover. When I undid one for the Rad Rover, it was a protective thing, and it ended up getting stuck in there. I had to kind of drill it out. Okay, easy, piece of cake. And then this is another little protected piece. But the wheel seems nice and true. I don't think there's any warping or damage on that. That looks really in good shape. I do appreciate that they went with a reflective stripe around the wheel. That's really cool. It's not just a boring, same old thing type of situation. All right, now let's undo the rest of the frame. It has a bunch of these little zip ties. When you get around this area, just be careful you don't cut wires or anything important, because that would be really unfortunate. And there's the handlebars, you can see are tucked in like this. So this looks here, cool. This is the down tube where the battery is. You can see where the charging port is there. And that seems to be well protected also. And this is where the handlebars are gonna go. All right, here's everything unpacked. Very well packed overall. I haven't assembled it yet, but if you're curious how it was packed and a full unboxing, that's pretty much what you got right here. And we'll go through, I'll check out the video that they have for the install and go ahead and put everything together. But it's very exciting. You got the belt drive here. You've got the hydraulic brakes, which is very excited about, and torque sensing, which is gonna be really cool. This is neat too. I like this. It's a little detail. This is raised kind of stripes there. Nice. Looks really new and shiny. Very nice. And there's the motor back there. It comes with side reflectors. So not only you have the reflector, but you have the pinstripe reflector. Good stuff. Super exciting. All right. Thanks, and stay tuned. We'll do a bunch of other rides on this thing now that I own it. Gonna get it on the road. All right, y'all take care. Happy New Year. See you, bye.